Welcome to Digital Marketing News for Monday, February 20th. I'm your host, Jay Ostrom. In today's news, Google illegally tracked Safari users, tweets and crime in Africa, and Microsoft Windows unveils a new logo. Congress is calling on the U.S. Federal Trade Commission to investigate Google's practice of circumventing Apple's Safari browser privacy settings. Reports surfaced last week that Google has been bypassing the privacy settings of millions of people using Apple's Safari web browser. Safari, the most widely used browser on mobile devices, is designed to block such tracking by default. However, Google used special computer code that tricks Apple's Safari web browsing software into letting them monitor many users. Google disabled this code after being contacted by the Wall Street Journal. While the decision is still pending, if the FTC investigates and finds Google is guilty, it could lead to fines of $16,000 per violation per day. This is not the first time Google has been criticized for their privacy policies, and we hope they take this situation seriously to protect user data. Twitter is solving problems once again. The Associated Press recently found an African chief who uses Twitter to help solve problems and maintain order in his Kenyan village. Chief Francis Kariuki is using Twitter to decrease the crime rate in his village, locate missing children and farm animals, as well as organize the village logistics. The chief's Twitter account has just over 400 followers, but his messages reach thousands of the area's 28,000 residents via forwarded text messages and third-party mobile applications that work without smartphones. Additionally, the chief said, quote, "Twitter has helped save time and money. I no longer have to write letters or print posters, which take time to distribute and are expensive." This smart and effective use of Twitter is yet another example of how social media has evolved to reach even the most obscure corners of the globe. Earlier today, Microsoft unveiled a new logo for Windows in preparation for the highly anticipated Windows 8 operating system. The new logo returns to the company's roots and is a simple window, doing away with the colorful flag-like logo they have previously used. The new logo is being met with a wide array of reviews. VentureBeat's Sean Ludwig does not really like the logo, saying, quote, "It's a simple one-color logo that emphasizes Windows 8's simple design." However, others find the new logo to be a welcome change for Windows. Technologizer's Ed Oswald said that Microsoft is simply following in Apple's footsteps in a good way, but finally shifting to and adapting its logo to a less is more philosophy. We view the new logo design as an attempt to return to the previous company's sentiment and change consumer opinions for an often criticized operating system. It will be interesting to see how this affects the Windows 8 launch.